So hello guys, so tonight I'm going to teach you on how to make a Facebook page. So first step that you're going to do is that you open the Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. And the second step is to open the Facebook website or app. And you go to in here, the menu. Tapos makikita nyo dyan yung page. Tapos i-click nyo. And then katapos nyo mag-click ng page, ito yung lalabas. Lalagay nyo lang dito yung page name. So lalagay natin yung page name is Empowerment. Tapos sa category naman, type lang kayo dyan ng keywords, tapos lalabas na yan. ICT. Information Technology Company. Sample lang yan guys. Tapos sa bio is optional na siya. Nasa sayo na kung maglalagay ka ba o hindi. Create page. Creating na siya guys. Tapos next step nyo gagawin, lagay nyo lang dito yung website, phone number, email, address, city, zip code, and next profile picture, cover photo, or add action button. Pwede nyo din yung skip guys kung gusto nyo. And that's it. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang paano gumawa ng page guys. Yan lang guys. Thank you. Bye bye.